In today's video, we'll show you the 5 best menstrual cups on the market, which will come in handy the next time your period arrives. There are numerous period products to choose from, such as tampons, pads, and period panties, but few can compete in terms of efficacy and sustainability with the Lunette Reusable Menstrual Cup. It is made of medical-grade silicone, which is free of chemicals and BPA, making it safe and comfortable to wear. The textured rim allows the cup to sit in just the right place, and the flat stem is easy to grab and pull. It also comes in 2 sizes. Size 1 is ideal for spotting to light bleeding and low-sitting cervixes, whereas size 2 is ideal for heavier flows and high cervixes. Since the Lunette Menstrual Cup collects menstrual fluid rather than absorbing it, you can wear it for up to 12 hours without changing it as frequently as you would a tampon or pad. With the right care, you can reuse it for up to 5 years. All you have to do is empty, wash, and disinfect it before using it again. So, if you're looking for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective way to manage your menstrual flow, the Lunette Reusable Menstrual Cup with carrying case can be an excellent choice. Whether you generally have light or heavy flows, the Pixie Menstrual Cup is an excellent reusable alternative that will help you properly manage your period. With 6 different sizes and 2 styles, you can find the perfect cup for your body type and reproductive story. It is placed in the vaginal canal like a tampon and has no odor, leaks, or TSS risk. The cup is ideal for a higher cervix and is also easy to remove, leaving no period bloodstains. The Pixie Cup is also an excellent method for conceiving because it collects your monthly discharge or menstrual flow. A unique lubricant for simple insertion and 5 travel wipes for quick cleaning are included with the cup, which is made of soft, medical-grade silicone. Pixie Cup is also great for active people because it can be worn for 12 hours before cleaning or reinserting, and has a 10-year lifespan. So if you're an active teen or a busy mom looking for a soft, comfortable, and leak-proof menstrual cup, then the Pixie Cup is a great option that will give you the period freedom to enjoy every aspect of life while you run, swim, or dance. The Saalt Soft Menstrual Cup is a soft and flexible menstrual cup that is designed to be gentle and comfortable for those with bladder sensitivity, cramping, or discomfort with firmer cups. This cup is made of hypoallergenic and non-toxic silicone that is designed to flex to the shape of your vagina. Also, it is made of 100% medical-grade silicone and dyes that have been tested for skin sensitization and are safe, non-toxic, and never leach. The longer stem makes it easier to remove the cup, and it comes in teen, small, and regular sizes, so anyone with a higher cervix can benefit from this design. It has a bulb shape with multiple seal points to prevent leaks for up to 10 years without causing irritation or discomfort. So if you want to simplify and improve your period, try this vegan and cruelty-free Saalt Soft Menstrual Reusable Cup, which will last for years and is a good investment. If you're new to the world of menstrual cups, the Lena Cup is a great place to start. This bell-shaped cup is designed to fit easily into place with strong suction to prevent leakage, and to stay comfortably in place for up to 12 hours, making it ideal for regular use and an active lifestyle. The Lena Cup is ideal for both adults and teenagers because it comes in 2 sizes, small and large, to accommodate varying flow requirements. The small size is ideal for normal or light flow days, while the large size is ideal for heavier flow days. It can be inserted like a tampon and sits comfortably in the vaginal canal, providing odorless, sensation-free, and leak-free periods. It has a textured tail that helps you grip it when it's time to take it out. Lena Menstrual Cup is also hypoallergenic and free of BPA, latex, and dioxins, making it a safe and healthy option for feminine hygiene. So if you want a reusable menstrual cup that is less wasteful, does not need to be changed as frequently, and will save you a lot of money in the long run, then the Lena Menstrual Cup can be a great option for you. Our today's top pick is the DivaCup Menstrual Cup, because it is eco-friendly and free of chemicals, dyes, and plastic. It also comes in 3 different sizes, making it ideal for those with different cervix sizes. The DivaCup is available in 3 versions: Model 0, Model 1, and Model 2. Model 0 is for teenagers under the age of 18, and Model 1 is recommended for women under the age of 30 who have never given birth, while Model 2 is recommended for women over 30 or who have given birth. This is a slightly firmer cup that can comfortably sit in your vagina for up to 12 hours and has measuring markings to indicate that it can hold up to 0.5 ounces of period blood at a time. It is simple to fold and insert, as well as remove, making it an excellent choice for those with a high flow rate. Furthermore, it comes with an illustrated manual to make the process as easy as possible for first-timers. So, if you have a longer vagina, this 100% medical-grade silicone bell-shaped cup is ideal for a leak-free period during your busy days or active nights.
Thanks for watching. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe. For more updates in the future, don't forget to press the notification bell.